Good morning, I'm Rami, owner of QuickFix Computers, where we provide reliable IT solutions and managed services. Today, I want to highlight the I and the T behind what we do, information technology. So before we start, I have 4 words for you. Turn the volume up. In this presentation, we are going to take a look at the world of artificial intelligence, where it started, how it works, and why it matters. We will take a look at key concepts, breakthroughs, and challenges, and most importantly, practical ways for businesses to use AI. We will build a simple foundation for understanding AI, so let's go through a quick introduction. When I was working at NASA in an oculomotor research lab, we studied how the brain processes visual information, basically how to make sense of what we see. Take this image for example. Although the cat is partially hidden behind the fence, we instantly recognize it because our brain fills in the missing details using context and experience. But for a computer, it is not that easy. It just sees pixels and patterns. It has to be trained to understand what's behind the fence. And that's really what AI is all about, teaching machines how to think, reason, and interpret the world like we do. What we have today is narrow AI. It is great at focused tasks like voice assistant and facial recognition. General AI, which is the holy grail, would think and learn like a human, but we're not there yet. Super intelligence, that is the next frontier, where it will make the smartest man look like a decimal point compared to AI. Here we'll take a quick look at the AI journey. AI's story began in the 1950s. Early systems were rule-based, teaching computers to think step by step, like solving puzzles. One of the first breakthroughs was when a computer learned how to play chess. That was the first spark in machine learning. Over the years, movies have shaped how we imagine artificial intelligence. These movies reflect both our fascinations and our fears, but mostly our fears. The internet changed everything. With massive amount of data, AI finally had the fuel it needed to grow. By 2006, Google wasn't just matching keywords anymore. It was understanding what we mean. Whenever we searched for a red car, it was actually finding red cars. AI has advanced quickly thanks to deep learning and new NVIDIA chip designs rather than using traditional CPUs. We now see it in robotics, self-driving cars, and healthcare. And with ChatGPT, Sam Altman brought the AI to the public for the first time. Whether this is a good thing or not, we shall see. In this section, we will explain the fundamental technologies powering AI and the role of data and training. AI learns a lot like children do. When kids play with the shape sorter, they try different shapes and pieces and try to figure out which one fits. Each try, they learn something new. Same thing with AI. It learns by trial and error, testing patterns, correcting mistakes, and gradually getting smarter with experience. For my Gen X audience, think of AI like learning a game. It starts with random moves, then it learns through trial and error, spotting patterns and building a strategy to predict and react. Over time, it gets smarter, maximizing results with less effort until it performs it nearly perfect. AI now is all around us. It helps scientists discover new medicine, solving genetics, detecting fraud in banking, supports doctors with faster and more accurate diagnosis, and it helps cars make quick and safe decisions in real time. Like the dot-com boom, the housing crisis, and the crypto wave, AI is going through its own bubble right now. They label everything with AI and it has silly applications. But just like Amazon and Google came out of the dot-com era and real estate is a good investment, AI will eventually stabilize, leaving a few good strong players. AI is often portrayed in extremes, either as a miracle solution or a dangerous threat. The truth is somewhere in between. To really understand AI, we need to look past the hype and focus on what it can really do and where the limitations are. AI is not perfect. It faces real challenges, especially Things like bias in the data, decisions we can't fully explain, high energy, and tough ethical questions surrounding privacy and job loss. AI drives real business results by boosting efficiency, improving decisions, and creating a competitive edge. AI helps businesses make smarter, data-driven decisions by analyzing huge amount of information and predicting risks. At QuickFix, we use AI to diagnose computers, detect networks and virus issues, and even predict hard drive failures, cutting repairs by nearly 30%. It also improves how we handle purchasing, invoicing, and everyday decision making. At Neurofit, we use AI to analyze eye movements and train our system to accurately recognize the pupil, improving eye tracking precision and delivering deeper insights into brain and neural health. My advice, if you have children, keep them away from AI. Otherwise,
All due respect, Mr. Costello. School is out.
I recommend to choose an AI tools based on your business needs, scalability, and compatibility with your existing systems to ensure effective adoption. AI works best when it naturally fits into your daily operations and supported by staff training, integration, and constant improvement. Please take ethical considerations. This includes transparency, fairness, and privacy protection, and addressing the bias in AI. Again, I emphasize the bias in AI to build trust and accountability. AI brings amazing opportunities, helping us innovate and work smarter, but it comes with responsibility. The real goal is balance, using what we have learned to make AI effective, ethical, and meaningful. And now, if I may, I'd like to close by sharing one of my favorite poems written by Mahmoud Darwish. You'll never meet the same person twice, not even in the same person. And for the final slide, for the prize giveaway, based on the clues throughout this presentation, can you guess what my favorite movie is?